In this video, I'll show you how to create this scrolling number generator in Premiere Pro. Select the Type tool on the toolbar and click on the preview screen. Then go to Properties and click New Layer, then select Vertical Text. Double-click to highlight the text and type a large assortment of random numbers. Adjust the text size to your preference. Select your text and position it where you want. Go to Effects and find Gaussian Blur. Add this effect to your numbered clip. Go to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon next to both position and blurriness. Move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds. Change the vertical position until you reach the last number. Click the keyframe button for blurriness. Move to the center of your two keyframes and change blurriness to 300. Set blur dimension to vertical. Click the rectangle mask under opacity and adjust it to fit your numbers within the frame. Change mask feather to 100. Highlight the position keyframes. Right-click and select Tempo Interpolation Using.